Hello everyone, and this is Thalia Alexiou sharing Feng Shui wisdom. I try what I'm going to teach you today from I think 2026, 2006. It was, I tried this method which I learned from my teacher, Marie Diamond. It was my teacher in Feng Shui. And it was working. So, but I recreated what she teach me. I recreate, and I create something like a masterpiece. She's a great teacher, great financer. There's no question about it. But what I did, it was somebody told me about their child, which he couldn't go well at school. And it was a lot of problems. And the child was like 10 years old. Meanwhile, the parents were going through a divorce. And so I asked her to put a pagoda on the west side in her living room and in his bedroom. So, and then find a beautiful, happy picture when he was between 5 to 7 years old. And then put it up there with the attention for him to heal and succeed, instead stay back because of his pain, whatever the pain he was going through. So she did. And then now I'm going to just name him Raphael. It was just a different name. He was just succeeding at school. He was doing much better. He got in sports, and it was amazing. So what I really did it after, I did it for my own children. I went back and I healed some of their experiences, and I did it for myself too. So they were experiences in our lives, in every life, which we have a childhood, which it was painful and stopped us to grow. Or an embarrassment because we got a C instead of getting an A, all these. So you just pick up a picture, which it is your child is happy between 5 and 7, or for yourself, go back there and just heal that particular time. Put a pagoda. You can also put the Eiffel Tower. I told to someone lately after my workshop at 2021, and she couldn't find a pagoda, and I said, well, why don't you put like the Eiffel Tower, and she did. You have to pay attention what is behind, and the story of the Eiffel tower is really powerful. Also, it has a lot of power, a lot of strength. So, and this has a lot of blessings. So you really have to look at it how you want to, but it has to be one of two. And her daughter is getting 100 and is on an honor. I have that done in my house for my children, for my grandchildren, for myself. So I wish you a huge successes. Try it. I don't teach anything I did not try it before. So let me know. I can't wait to hear your successes. Thank you.